Now, in the previous lesson, read the newsgroup.py. We imported NNTP lib, everything from NNTP lib. That's the Network News Transfer Protocol. Then we contacted this server, instantiated it, and assigned it to S. Then we told S to get a to find a group, called Psi Electronics Design that's on this server. So it found it, returned the appropriate data to these variables. Then we told the server S use XHDR, XHeader, to get a list of all the subjects, starting from the first one to the last one, within this group, of course, and assign it to the appropriate variables here. It did. It put all the subjects into here. And then I said to the system, listen, I want to do the following. For every X in those subjects, go through that list of subjects. All of them? No, just numbers 1 through 20, and print out every X, every subject. So that's what it did. To refresh our memory, let's run the program again. And there they are. The first 20 subjects are listed out very clearly. Now, let's clear out the screen. Well, before we clear out the screen, wouldn't it be nice if we could now choose one of these numbers and print out the contents of that particular post onto the screen? Because these are posts. Okay, let's do that. Clear out the screen first. And what would be the code to do that? Well, we left off at for X in subject 1 through 20, print X. Now, I'm going to use a variable called PN. That'll be the post number. And I'm going to say, I want you to input the following onto the screen, key in a number. So it'll say key in a number on the screen. Whatever number you key in, it's going to put it into PN. There'll be a big list over here of post numbers. You'll key in one of those post numbers, and it'll put it into the PN variable. Now, I'm then going to tell the system, I'm going to tell the server, S, listen carefully. Now, you know that post number? Yes. Turn it into a string. Okay, done. Now, that post number, that's got a body of text associated with it. Grab all that text and return it to L. Says, okay, I'll do that. And I'll return a couple other things to these variables too. Okay, very good, thank you. I don't need those guys right now. I'm really interested in just the body of those posts. The text. Okie dokie. And he does it. Now, that's for that one particular post number. Now, that's an L. For every X in L, print out that X. So it's going to go line by line through this whole thing and print that whole thing out. Wow. Ring psi.py. All right. Let's do it. Ring. Let's get that arrow out of the way. Psi.py. I think that was the name that we gave it. Yeah, RNGSCI.py. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to hit enter. We're waiting. Oh, there are the 20 subjects. Now it says key in a number. Which one should we choose? Transformer secondary winding question. that looks good. 290838. Alright, so right here, I should key in 290838. And now I'm going to hit enter. Here we go. Oh, let's see what happened there. I keyed in 290838 and it prints out the contents of that particular post. Wow. Could some electronics gurus please shed some light on this? I am helping a colleague of mine one day step down transformer as a weekend project. Yada 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 yada. And on it goes and ends over here. Wow. That was good. Once again, what did we do? We keyed in input and then a message, key in the number, and it shows up right there. Input, key in the number, there it is. And we did 290838. That was that number over here. Transformer secondary winding question. Alright, then what did we do? Then we said, server, grab the body of text associated with this post number, turn it into a string, please, and assign it to L. I'll give you some more information. I'll put them in those variables. Okay, thank you so much. But the one I'm interested in right now is L. For every X in L, print that out onto the screen. Print X. And that's it. That's what we did. And this is what happened. It worked. This is George Boole.